set sail on this new sea, because there is new knowledge to be gained and new rights to be won. And they must be won and used for the progress of all people. For space science, like nuclear science and all technology, has no conscience of its own. Whether it will become a force for good or ill depends on man.
What if I told you that in the next 12 weeks, you could go from feeling lost in the AI conversation to confidently navigating it, using AI tools to boost your life, and maybe even future-proofing your career? This is your personal roadmap to understanding and leveraging artificial intelligence, starting today in just 10 minutes.
Let's go!
We'll begin with ideas on how you can build a solid AI foundation in the first 4 weeks on a part-time learning pace, followed by 4 weeks where you start to adopt a more structured learning path to achieve measurable results, and ending with the final 4 weeks where you get busy with hands-on experiences to solidify your applied AI skills. Don't click away. Your future self might thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right, let's demystify this. What is AI really? At its core, artificial intelligence is about creating computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. It's not science fiction magic. It's advanced computer science and mathematics making machines smart. AI isn't brand new. The idea has been around for decades. Early pioneers dreamed of thinking machines back in the 1950s. We had milestones like chess-playing computers. But for a long time, AI was mostly confined to research labs and specific narrow tasks. Progress was steady, but slow, until recently. Then came late 2022 and the public launch of ChatGPT. This wasn't just another AI model. It was an inflection point. Suddenly, anyone with an internet connection could have a conversation, ask questions, generate text, write code, all with a remarkably capable AI. It felt like the future arrived overnight, and that changed everything. Why? Because it made AI accessible and tangible to millions. It showed the world what was possible right now. And trust me, the pace hasn't slowed down since. If anything, it's accelerating exponentially. This isn't just about chatbots. AI is quietly revolutionizing every industry. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. In retail, it powers the personalized shopping experiences you probably use every day. In finance, it detects fraud and manages risk. In entertainment, it recommends movies and even helps create visual effects. In manufacturing, it optimizes production lines and predicts maintenance needs. Even in creative fields, AI tools are assisting artists, writers, and musicians. You'll hear a lot of jargon. Let's quickly break down a few key terms you need to know. Machine learning, ML, is the driving force behind much of AI, enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming by identifying patterns and improving over time. A specialized subset of ML, deep learning DL, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain to process complex patterns, making it particularly effective for tasks like image and speech recognition. Generative AI, this is the type of AI that can create new content, text, images, music, code, based on the data it was trained on. Think DALL-E, Midjourney, and again, ChatGPT. So how does this apply to you? It's time to plot your personal journey. Ask yourself, personal productivity. How can AI tools help me save time, organize my life better, or learn new things faster? Think summarizing articles, drafting emails, planning trips. Current job enhancement. Are there AI tools emerging in my field? How can understanding AI make me more valuable, efficient, or innovative in my current role? New career path. Is AI creating new job opportunities I might be interested in? Roles like prompt engineer, AI ethicist, or AI specialist are emerging fast. Could learning AI open doors to a different future? Here's the hard truth. Things are moving at lightning speed. Companies are adopting AI tools rapidly. Skills that are valuable today might be automated or augmented by AI tomorrow. Those who understand and can work with AI will have a significant advantage. Those who ignore it risk becoming professionally irrelevant. It sounds harsh, but the gap between the AI savvy and the AI unaware is widening daily. Waiting is no longer a viable strategy. You need to start now. Okay, deep breath. That might sound intimidating, but here's the good news. You don't need a PhD in computer science to get started. It's about building foundational knowledge, developing a transformation mindset, and taking consistent steps. Here is a practical 12-week roadmap to get you from AI curious to AI capable. Weeks 1 through 4, immersion and foundational curiosity. Goal, get comfortable with the landscape, understand basic concepts, and discover what excites you.
Yes.
Mindset focus, be curious. Adopt a beginner's mind. Don't be afraid to ask basic questions. Consume content. Follow AI explainers on YouTube, like this channel, TikTok, and read blogs. For example, MIT Technology Review AI section, reputable tech news sites like Wired or The Verge, AI newsletters like Ben's Bytes or The Neuron. Play with tools. Spend time using free tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, or image generators like Playground AI. Ask them questions, see what they can do. Learn the lingo, revisit those key terms, ML, DL, generative AI. Look up definitions. Don't aim for mastery yet, just familiarity. Identify interests. Does AI in healthcare fascinate you? Or maybe its creative potential? Note down areas that spark your interest. Resources. The free Code Camp YouTube channel, and in particular, the Video AI Engineer Roadmap. How to learn AI in 2025 is a notable example. Check out the link in the video description below. But where does one start when there's all these GPTs, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, Grok, and more? With too many different model numbers and capabilities that compete in different areas? Well, an aggregator is what I need to cut through this AI toolset chaos. That's where AI Assist Works comes in. It's designed to bring the power of AI directly into the tools you already use every day. Switching between your work in Google Docs or Sheets and then separately logging into ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini wastes valuable time and breaks your focus. You want AI's benefits without the friction. AI Assist Works seamlessly integrates over 100 cutting-edge AI models, including ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, directly into your Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides. Stop wasting hours switching tabs. Generate text, summarize content, analyze data, translate languages, brainstorm ideas, and so much more, right within your documents and spreadsheets. Boost your productivity and save hours each week. Access multiple AI models from one place, use simple commands, no coding needed, and leverage AI capabilities directly within your familiar Google Workspace environment. Ready to simplify your workflow and unlock AI power where you actually work? Click the link in the description below to learn more and start your free forever plan with AI Assist Works. It's perfect for light users to get started right away. Don't wait, start working smarter, not harder today. Weeks 5 to 8. Deeper dive in structured learning. Goal, move beyond just playing. Start structured learning on core concepts and explore specific tools relevant to your interests. Mindset. Focus, embrace structured learning. Be patient with yourself as concepts get more complex. Actions. Take free introductory courses. Platforms like Coursera, Google AI Essentials, Microsoft Learn, and Kaggle Learn offer fantastic free introductory courses on AI, machine learning basics, and data science fundamentals. You don't need to pay unless you want the certificate. Experiment purposefully. Try using AI tools for specific tasks related to your interests or potential applications. For example, use ChatGPT to brainstorm blog post ideas. Use an AI image generator to create visuals for a presentation. Join communities, engage, even just by lurking initially, in online communities like Reddit, for example, R Artificial Intelligence, R Machine Learning, Discord servers, or LinkedIn groups focused on AI. See what others are discussing.
Let me see.
Resources. ChatGPT Learning Resources, Coursera, Google AI Learning Path, Microsoft Learn AI Fundamentals, Kaggle Learn courses, relevant online communities. Use AI to help you learn AI. I've compiled a curated list of a variety of AI prompts that you could review and experiment with to select one that provides you a solution that aligns with your learning style.
All right.
Links to resources can be found in the video description below. Weeks 9 to 12. Application and initial validation. Goal: apply what you've learned to practical projects and gain some initial validation through low-cost or free certifications. Mindset focus: shift from learning about AI to doing with AI. Build confidence through application. Actions: personal project. Choose a small, achievable project. Examples: automate a repetitive task using an AI tool. Build a simple chatbot using a free platform. Use AI to analyze some personal data, like fitness tracker info. Create a presentation using AI-generated content and visuals. The goal is completion, not perfection. Focus on application in your field. Research how AI is specifically used in your industry or desired industry. Can you replicate a simple application? Consider foundational certifications. Look into free or low-cost certifications. Examples: Google AI Essential Certificate, Microsoft Certified AI Fundamentals, AI 900, often has free training days or discounts, various platform-specific badges from AI tool providers. These demonstrate initiative and basic knowledge to employers or for personal validation. See links in the video description below. Resources: your chosen AI tools, project ideas from online communities, Google AI certifications, Microsoft Learn certifications, and LinkedIn Learning. Resource links can be found in the video description below. This roadmap isn't rigid. Adjust it based on your pace and interests. The key is consistent effort and embracing the mindset that learning AI is an ongoing journey, not a destination. So there you have it. AI might seem like a tidal wave, but you now have a roadmap and a number of resources. We've covered what AI is, why it exploded recently thanks to tools like ChatGPT, how it's changing industries, and crucially, your personalized 12-week plan to get started. The future is intertwined with AI, but that doesn't have to be scary. It's an opportunity to enhance your skills, boost your productivity, maybe even pivot your career. You have the resources, many of them free, and now you have a plan.
I have a plan.
The feeling of being left behind? You can replace that with the excitement of learning and the empowerment of understanding. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. The biggest mistake is not starting. Your call to action today is simple.
All right, let's do this.
Pick one thing from week 1 of the roadmap and do it. Follow one AI YouTube channel. Read one introductory blog post. Spend 15 minutes playing with ChatGPT with a specific goal in mind. Just start. If this roadmap was helpful, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more content on navigating the AI landscape. And comment below, what's the very first step you are going to take on your AI journey after watching this? Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.